Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor X6 and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So basically we've got two different ways to check this number. The first one requires a secret code and the second is by using the settings. So let's start with the code. We have to open dialer and enter *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we're provided with this pop-out window, and under it, at the bottom, we've got the serial number of this device. Let me tap on OK, and let me show you the second way by using the settings, which will be useful. For some reason the secret code won't work. So we have to enter the settings, scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Phone. Again, scroll down to find the status, and as you can see, the serial number is right here. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to check the serial number in your Honor X6. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.